First off, lay out all the parts of your trike. While we give you most of the parts you need for your trike, there'll still be some tools that you'll need to provide yourself. Needle nose pliers, a wrench, and a set of Allen wrenches. We provide a bag of little bitty pieces, but we'll break all those down later. Now, you're ready to put on the rear wheels. Make sure the rear axle rod has been placed through the back of the frame. Then carefully lift up the rear of your trike and place the wheels on both sides of the axle. Now it's time to lock the wheels in place. Locate one of your cotter pins. Put the cotter pin through the hole on the end of the axle. It's a pretty tight fit, so you're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers. Bend the tines of the cotter pin to the left and the right of the knob of the axle. Bend the tines as flush to the knob of the axle as possible to avoid catching yourself when inflating the rear tires. All done? Great. Flip the trike around and do the exact same thing on the other side. With the rear wheels secured, you're ready to roll. Hop aboard. Happy triking.